So I wanted to ask you guys, how's my new wig? That's not a wig. So that means I'll be posting vlogs in a week and then refashion tutorial on another week. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to turn this simple men's t-shirt into something like this for the summer. So yeah, it's already a high time that we should be giving farewell to the summer, but I thought why not give it a good and easy farewell to the summer. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see how I transform this simple men's t-shirt into this off-shoulder top. So yeah, see you after a bit. So these are the things you'll be needing. First of all, turn the t-shirt inside out and start detaching the sleeves. Now measure up to the V neckline part and mark it and cut it up to the point. Now take the two sleeves, cut it open and cut it clean by cutting the interlocked part. Also cut the bottom hem of both sleeves. We're going to be placing our sleeves upside down, so cut the sleeve and finish the new curved hemline by folding and stitching it. We're going to be folding the upper part of the body, so increase the length of armhole by adding 2 inches from original armhole and cut it, leaving 0.25 seam allowance. Now take the two sleeves and make pleats at the end of the sleeves and attach it to the armhole opening by pinning it first. While attaching the sleeves, keep in mind that the total circumference of the off shoulder should be 2 to 3 inches larger than the original circumference of your shoulder. Stitch the sleeves to the neckline and interlock all the raw edges. Now take an elastic of 0.25 inch, measuring 2 to 3 inches shorter than the circumference of your shoulder, and attach it to the neckline. Now take the piece we cut off from the t-shirt before and detach the V neckline part from the scrap. Now take that piece and attach it to the center front of the body like a ribbon. To add a little bit of twist and style to the t-shirt, make the pleats of 1 inches at the sides, like creating a bit of drip, and stitch to that part. At last, just add a cute button at the center front of the body. So let's see the final transformation, shall we? that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and I hope you also transform some simple men's t-shirt into a summery off-shoulder top. I know I'm a bit late to post this off-shoulder top, but yeah, you can always try this for next winter. I wanted to give this summer a good farewell, so that's how I did it after making a simple off-shoulder top. So I wanted to ask you guys, how's my new wig? That's not a wig. That's not your wig. Stop lying, okay? Guys, she just changed her new hairstyle. Why are you lying? Yeah. Guys, this is my actual hair. Like, actual hair. You can see the hairlines. This is not a wig, okay? Just because I am keeping up bangs on does not mean I'm wearing a wig. After I changed my hair, a lot of people have been asking me if my hair is a wig. Because it's super thick. I have like 2 layers. One is the thick bang and another one is the side layers, and my hair is like super thick. It's not a wig. I just take care of my hair very good. So yeah, most of you guys have been asking me for a hair care routine. If you want to see my hair care routine, then I can post it for you guys as well. From now on, I'll be posting vlogs in a week, and then refashion tutorial on another week, so that it does not get boring. So if you want different kind of content, or if you want me to do a hair care routine video, a skincare routine video, or any kind of video, then please let me know in the comment below. I'd love to share my routines with you guys. After I shared my detox water recipe, a lot of you guys have been giving me a very good response. I lost a few weight after having that detox water, and my skin has got so much clearer after having that water. So I'm so glad you guys have been trying it as well. So I'll see you guys next time with a very new refashion again, and another content video too, if I get to make one or have some ideas on that. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye and take care, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.